Hi, my name's Abby. I'm a senior and this is my 4th year on 3015.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a senior and it's my 4th year on the team.
Hi, I'm Liv. I'm a junior and it's my 3rd year on the team.
Today we want to share with you what makes our team unique. Each season we choose a motto to unite us and keep our focus. Some of our past ones have been play like a champion today, have a seat at the table, and this year is all in. Having a team motto is a great unifier when you have an FRC team of 45 plus members. That's definitely the first thing that makes us unique. In 2018 and 2019, we had over 100 members. That's why we started our second FRC team last year. We call it our JV team. By creating a new team, it allows 8th and 9th graders to learn new skills so they're ready to join the team as 10th graders.
Our Ranger Robotics program has 27 teams that are all in, 17 junior FLL, 8 FLL, and 2 FRC. We are proud to say that we've started 30 first teams, 26 of our own, 1 FTC, and 3 other FRC. We also mentor all of our younger teams, totaling over 275 volunteer hours last year. We have mentored 5 teams around the Rochester area and continue to mentor Team 7299 from Monterrey, Mexico.
Our commitment to first is strong. In November of 2019, we hosted and ran an FLL and Junior FLL qualifier. I was lucky enough to be a judge for the Junior FLL qualifier, where we interviewed each team and they told us about what they had been working on for the past few weeks. After judging, each team received an award related to their product. I loved hearing what each kid had to say and how first has inspired their interest in robotics.
Tonight we would like to play Jeopardy with you to highlight aspects of our team and program.
I'm going to start off with a big one. Can I have promoting STEM for 1,000?
Okay, 1,560 kids were taught on this day.
What is STEAM Day? In 2019, we held our second annual STEAM Day, and my brother was actually the one who started this event. Each year, a senior works with one of our mentors to organize and plan a lesson based off of New York science standards. After we learned the lesson and material, 90 of our students went to all 4 of our district's elementary schools and taught 1,560 kids in just one day. We have taught lessons based on velocity and gravity. This is one of my favorite events we have. I just love seeing the kids brainstorm together and make adjustments.
I'm going to stick with STEM and go for Promoting STEM 600.
A club created to inspire young girls with engineering challenges.
Oh, I know this. What is GEMS Club? We do this awesome club in our district called GEMS, Girls Empowered in Math and Science. We meet with 3rd through 5th graders and give them an engineering challenge. So let me give you an example. This challenge was to see how many pennies could be held on a boat before it sank. The girls were given limited supplies and had to test and make iterations. In my opinion, it's so cool because it's just us girls, all working together as engineers. We've been doing this for 5 years, and over that time, we have seen a huge increase in female participation in robotics. 55% of our current members are girls.
Since we are on a roll, I'm going to go for Promoting STEM 400.
30 sent to 14 states and to South Africa.
What is STEM kits? As of today, we have sent 30 kits to 14 states and a full set of supplies to South Africa, a school where our team members volunteered in the summer of 2019. Teams from these states received a full set of supplies to complete STEM challenges we put together. It gets even better. We are now busy making video lessons to walk the teachers through each experiment. It's a how-to plus science lesson all wrapped in one. It's making us think of how we can grow our YouTube channel to help other first teams. Can I have first and Spencer report for 200, please?
An event where the community can come out and see the robot and how our robotics program works.
Oh, what is Robopalooza? Robopalooza is my favorite outreach event of the season. We invite the whole Spencerport community to our high school gym where we have a full-size practice field set up along with stations for each sub-team. Kids can make buttons, CAD their own fidget spinners, and even drive the robot. Robopalooza was the first place I got to drive the robot, and I enjoyed it so much I joined the team.
I'm going to go for Support 200.
Cheryl Denolfo and Mike Zale.
Who are some of our biggest fans? Local dignitaries such as Mike Zale and Cheryl Denolfo support us by coming to our local regionals, visiting the warehouse, driving the robot, and brainstorming about a Monroe County-wide STEAM Day. I think I'm going to keep going with support. Can I have Support 600 now?
The people and companies that help support our program.
Who are sponsors? Our 4 main sponsors, Bosch, Bosch Health, Xerox, and Leidos, are constantly helping us with everything from giving us mentors to parts to visiting their facilities. During the 2019 and 2020 build seasons, we Skyped as a leadership team every Saturday with mentors from Collins Aerospace.
I'll go for First and Community 800.
The place where our team gathers and helps other teams with their robot.
I know that. What is the warehouse? We combine with 2 neighboring school districts to rent out a practice space we like to call the Warehouse, Western Area New York Robotics Experience. Here we have a full-size practice field along with machines and workspace. Every year we invite teams from all over the Rochester area to come and practice with us.
Can I have Community Service 800, please?
The event where Team 3015 lights up the village of Spencerport.
Oh, I know that. What is Chalk the Walks? Chalk the Walks is where all the members of our team and the community come to the village and chalk inspirational messages on the sidewalks. At night, we hold a Luminary Walk and raise money for the American Cancer Society. Over the past 3 years, we have donated $2,000 to the American Cancer Society. We are excited to start planning to potentially have this event this spring.
I'll take Start, Mentor, and Assist for $1,000.
School, WhatsApp messages, bowling, dinners, games, Niagara Falls, and first time playing in the snow.
What are the things we have done with Team 7299 from Mexico? 4 years ago at the World Championships, a member of 3015 met a teacher from Mexico who was interested in starting his own first team. We kept in contact with them and helped them create an FRC and FTC team. Our former president had the great idea to bring them to Rochester so we could meet and connect with our friends from Team 7299. Throughout the week, we had a welcome dinner, bowling party, hosted them in school, and competed together. We took the students around school for the day and learned so much more about their school and team back home. We loved hanging out with them so much, and we continue to stay in contact with them through Snapchat, Instagram, Slack, and WhatsApp.
We interviewed people on all different sub-teams and asked them what makes our team unique. Many people are proud of our high percentage of girls and our supportive atmosphere. We're comprised of people from all clubs and interests because robotics is so inclusive.
The growth of our program has been huge over the last few years, and we wouldn't be as successful as we are without the support of the Spencerport community. In Spencerport, it's the thing to do. We have changed the culture of how robotics is perceived and show how it is more than just building robots.
Being a part of the FIRST organization has given us the opportunity to impact students both here in Rochester and across borders. Each of the pieces we have shared with you today fit together to show you what we're all about. We are so proud of where we come from and so excited for all that lies ahead.